What's up, you guys? It's me again, Lizelle. Happy Friday, and I am really excited to share to you today that finally our new iPhone 12 has arrived, and here's it. So this is the iPhone 12, and I got iPhone 12 Pro. So this is for my husband, and this is for me. So let's get started and let's do the unboxing right now. It's the iPhone 12, guys. So yes, you're gonna put it back, and then I'm going to show to you the iPhone 12. So this is a little bit smaller than and that's a really quick unboxing. because I cannot wait to use this right now, and I'm going to transfer all my data from my old iPhone X. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. I really appreciate your time to watch my video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. And also, if you like this video, just like in the button below, and also don't forget to share. Thank you so much, and have a great Friday, and have a great weekend ahead, everyone. Bye for now.